Auditor begins with a sample of bills of lading and trace forward into the accounting record. If a sales invoice was not found for a particular shipment, the auditor could suspect that goods were shipped out fraudulently, on consignment, one, both, neither, so on and so forth. So first of all, do we know what bills of lading is? Bills of lading is basically the carrier, like for example, let's assume you drive a delivery truck and you ship product from one company to another. So what happens is when they give you the product, you just have to prepare that bill of lading, tell them, who's the shipper, who's the consignee, what are you shipping from, what's the destination, and what are you carrying, basically. So if the auditor starts with this document, then trace forward into the accounting record, what do you expect to find? If the company shipped something, you expect to find a sales order. But here we assume is you looked at the bills of lading and there's no sales order. There's no sales order. That's what we're assuming. What could you suspect? Well, you could suspect fraudulent, shipped out fraudulently. Sure, somebody could be stealing from the company. There's no sales. Why did we ship it? Who are we shipping it to? So A is correct. So one would survive, two will be out, D will be out. Now all we have to know is 2 correct. It could be goods on consignment. That's also correct. If we're shipping something goods on consignment, it could be both A and B. And always for goods on consignment, I give this example: PepsiCo, Pepsi, and Walmart. So what happened is Pepsi, they ship goods to Walmart. They ship goods to Walmart. And when they ship goods to Walmart, they don't really sell it. All what they do is they ask Walmart to place the product on their shelves until Walmart sells it. So if you go to a Pepsi warehouse and you see that they shipped something, they shipped, 500 bottles. Well, but you don't see a sales order because they were shipped to Walmart. They're goods on consignment. We cannot record, there's no sales order until Walmart sells them, then we record the sale. So it could be both. It could be either fraudulent, not both. It could be either fraudulently, this shipment is fraudulent, or it could be that we ship it goods on consignment to a third party, to a second party or third party for the company for sale.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.